Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your eBay account to Payoneer so you can get paid quickly and securely. First, sign up for a Payoneer account at payoneer.com. This step is required before linking it with eBay. You will need to verify your identity and business details, a quick process that makes eBay registration smoother. After that, go to eBay and log into your seller account and head over to the payment section into seller dashboard. Click Add Payment Method or Edit and select Payoneer. Follow the prompts to log into your Payoneer account and link it. Once linked, your eBay products will be sent directly to your Payoneer account in USD, fast and secure. From Payoneer, you can withdraw earnings to your local bank, order a prepaid card, convert currencies, or pay suppliers globally all in one place. And that's how you connect eBay to Payoneer. Like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one.